Right-click the first Sheet tab and select View Code. In the VBA editor, click the Toolbox icon. Left-click Text Box in the toolbox, and then left-click an empty space in the User Form 1 area. Text Box 1 is now in the User Form 1 area. Create 9 more text boxes in the same way. Text Box 1 through Text Box 10. In the VBA editor, double-click the user form. Enter the code from the video description into the Activate procedure. Open the worksheet and then the input mask. The formatted text boxes text box 1 through text box 10 are displayed.